This tutorial will walk you through the steps of adding a course module in Foundation LMS. A module is used to demonstrate educational content such as text, video, and audio. From Courses, Online, navigate to your course and click the Course Builder icon. Under Course Curriculum, click Add New, and select Module to add a course module. Click the Module Title text field to enter your course module title. Students will be able to see this in the course learning path, so be sure to give it a short, descriptive title. Enter your module content. The built-in text editor enables course creators to format text color, size, and style, and enhance modules by allowing the insertion of media, such as images and videos. You can also use the code editor to make edits with HTML. Click Save to save your module, or click Cancel to exit without saving. To rearrange the sequence of modules, click and hold the desired module. While holding, drag the module to the new position within the sequence. Release the mouse to drop the module in place. Click the Save button beneath the curriculum to save the module's new position. The numbering will be updated automatically upon saving. Thank you for watching our tutorial on adding a course module in Foundation LMS.